This is the Euro New Zealand. I've just got involved with a 2618 trade. You can't quite see it here, so let's go and do the high time frame analysis and take a look at it. Here on the dailies, if I just zoom out, we're down at this structure level. We have violated it actually. Just here we have violated to the downside, and we do have this trendline structure here, which you can see has been adhered to multiple times. Double top there, here, and we're here once again. So okay, sorry about that, we had a bit of movement and I was in a trade. So we're up at the structure level, and we can see it's been adhered to, and we can say that we could see another hold here, and because we've got a break below, close below, we could actually see a move lower. Now I've actually been very conservative here in terms of the targets. So if we go to the 240, I would only really be playing for that extension if here on the 240 we had a double top. But we haven't. The double top has occurred on another time frame lower, which is the 60. So if I just zoom out, I can't zoom in anymore because the lines will actually just disappear, but you can see there was the double top. We had one just before it as well, and just here we had a break below, close below, so we can then look for that pullback into a 61.8 fib, and we have just tapped it there. You could also wait for an entry here using a back pattern. I haven't done that because what tends to happen for me with 2618 trades is when they tap the 618, that's when it has the highest probability of turning and carrying on lower. If we see a deeper retracement, we tend to see there's less chance of it turning and going on to win. So if we was to get up to here, the completion of the bat, it's a lower probability trade for me, so I don't want to miss the trade, basically. That's what I'm saying. So I've entered at the 61.8. If we just now bring on our orders, because up here that we do have a 16600 psychological number, I've gone just 15 pips above the high because that stop will offer me lots and lots of protection. And then I'm actually playing for just a retest of this structure level right here, because even though we have that break below, close below, one time frame low is the 240, I don't have the confirmation there, I've only got it on the 60. So it's that structure level, and if we also invert this leg, you'll actually see it's a 127 extension. You can see I'm front running there by 4 pips, which also gets me ahead of the 164.50 psychological number. So yeah, not a bad trading opportunity here for a 2618. So in terms of the risk and the reward, we're looking at 64 pips of risk for a reward of 95. We're back for the update, and we have now rallied down and hit those actual targets for 94 pips. That was in the end. You can see that we've just spiked through it there. There is the potential for this thing to go a lot lower, as mentioned. I haven't done that in this instance. Let's just go out to the 240. You can see there that we've rolled over, we've come into that structure level that I predicted. I do think, yes, price can go a lot lower here. We do have the higher time frame confirmation, but next week I'll look at maybe hopping on the trend, seeing what the market actually does from now. But what a great end to the week at 94 pips.